Vigorous Day everyone! Nakapag-Valentine's Day na ba ang lahat? Kasi eto pa lang yun sa akin! Andito tayo today sa Olive Garden sa Maisyang. Oh, taray! So, let's go! I-rate natin lahat ng mga kinain namin. First time namin dito, kaya medyo nabigla ako na lahat ng entrees, meron silang unlimited soup, salad, and breadsticks. Wow! Ang dami nilang choices sa soup kasi yung madaling bigkasin yung mga in-order namin. Ayun na nga, ito yung in-order namin, chicken and noche. I give this 8.5 out of 10. Very creamy. I love it. Sa salad naman, isa lang yung option nila, their famous house salad. I love this. Very dressy yung dressing. What? I give it an 8 out of 10. Very fresh. I love it. Next naman, their infamous breadstick. Infamous? I love this. Very soft. Tapos umuusok pa nung iserve sa amin. As a bread girly, this is a 10 out of 10. What? As a first timer, akala namin isang salad and isang soup lang per table. Hindi be. Per head pala ang bilangan dito. Nakakaloka. For appetizers naman, nag-order kami ng shrimp frito miso. May kasama siyang marinara and spicy ranch dip. This is an 8 out of 10 for me. Very nice yung marinara sauce. I love it. Very crunchy din yung frito. Huh? May cocktails din sila. Siyempre, as a coffee girly, nag-order ako ng hazelnut espresso punch. Tama yung pangalan, punch. Oo, kasi very punchy yung tapang. I will rate this 6.5 out of 10. Kasi sobrang tapang talaga niya for me. But it's really nice. Masarap naman siya. Matapang nga lang talaga. And now for the entrees. Nag-order kami ng chicken parmigiana. Uy, ang sarap. I give this a 7 out of 10. Kasi medyo matabang siya for me, pero okay lang siya. Carry na for, what it's what. Next naman, itong bacon and spinach pizza. Nakakaloka dito, lahat nilalagay nila ng parmesan cheese. Pero I love it. Not complaining. I like this. Very light lang yung pagka-pizza niya. I give it a 7 out of 10. Creamy but nothing really special. Wow! Nag-second round pa ng soup yung fiancé ko. Nag-order siya ng minestrone. Oh, taray! I like this. Very tomato-y. Tomato base yan. Ano ba? I give it a 6 out of 10. Ay. Ayun. Namiss nyo ba si Foodie Rizzo? Ayun lang. Gusto ko lang naman ipakita na nakapag-date ako ng Valentine's. Okay?